Hey guys, it's Chelsea, your millennial mentor, and I am back with another video. And today we are talking about transferable skills. So, Indeed says transferable skills, also known as portable skills, are qualities that can be transferred from one job to another. So what?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
You meaning to tell me I can take my skills from my previous job and industry and transfer them into my current industry or the industry that I'm trying to break into? Absolutely. Let me tell you why. Many times when you are going through a career change, you are not going to 100% be a qualified applicant, but that is okay. Why? Because employers don't want someone who are 100% qualified for the position because there's going to be no challenge. People who are 100% qualified for a position, they're going to get bored. Probably going to finish their work. They're not going to really enjoy it because it doesn't give them any challenge to their work. So being able to come in and say, I'm ready to get into HR. I'm ready to get into project management. I am ready to get into the tech industry. To be able to transfer your skills because they're portable, right? So we can take them and transfer them. Being able to transfer your portable skills and show employers and hiring managers what you can do with those skills is key. So what I suggest is to write your skills down. What are you good at? Are you great at communication? Are you great at organizing? Are you great with technology? Are you great with processing information and then creating systems and processes to make things easier? So you can write down your skills, and then when you're looking through job descriptions, you can see if any of those skills are in the job description, or you can look at the type of jobs you want. Look at the job description, and sometimes there's a skills section and it'll show you exactly what they're looking for. It may not encompass fully what the role is about or what all the skills for the job that are needed, but it gives you an inside look. If they're big on communication, if they're big on organization, if they're big on quick thinking and problem solving, most of the time employers are going to put that in their job description. So it's a great way for you to see if the skills that you have match up with that job description. And most importantly, when you get that job interview, because you are, okay, put it in the universe, you're going to get that job interview. You have to shine bright with your transferable skills. You have to let them know. If you are trying to get into project management, obviously you're going to be managing projects. So show them how you are organized. Show them how you are detailed. Tell them stories. Tell them what you're good at and then back it up. People love to hear stories about situational circumstances or situational situations. You know, if they're asking, are you quick on your feet? Tell them, I am very agile. I'm very quick. I'm a great problem solver. And then give them a story as to why. They want to hear it. They don't want to just hear that you're good at it. They want you to back it up with proof, best you know how. And during an interview, all you can do is shine bright. All you can do is tell them about your best possible self. And those transferable skills are going to get you to where you need to get to. Also, just make sure, also another tip, ask the interviewer or the recruiter, hiring manager, what skills are you guys looking for? It's a great question to ask in an interview. What skills are you looking for in this position? What makes somebody great in this position? What will cause a challenge for someone in this position? And most of the time they'll tell you, hey, we're a fast-paced company, or maybe we're a slower company. You know, we're a small business, and so we might not be rushed with work. And so people who are constantly needing to be busy, sometimes they may not do great in this role because they're constantly looking for things to do, challenges and projects, and there might not be that at that role. So make sure that you are asking, okay? You are being interviewed, but you are also interviewing. But just make sure that your transferable skills shine bright. Because when you are switching industries, that is how you are going to get the job. Now, Forbes has a top 7 transferable skill list. Those skills are technical, communication, critical thinking, multitasking, teamwork, creativity, and leadership. So those are great keywords to have in your resume. It might help ping those artificial intelligence systems. It may help ping the recruiter. They might be looking for someone who's great at teamwork, or looking for someone who has leadership skills, or looking for someone who has great communication skills. But those are some of the top transferable skills that Forbes has outlined. All right, guys. Well, it's your millennial mentor. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be back with more content for you guys. If y'all have any suggestions, comments, or concern, please leave it down in the comments below. And as always, like and subscribe and share it with a friend. Someone may be going through a career change and they need to know about those transferable skills, because it's going to help them get that job. All right.